Chase your passion, not your pension. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. In order to succeed, we must first believe that we can. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it's the courage to continue that counts. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Success is not how high you have climbed, but how you make a positive difference to the world. Success is not measured by what you accomplish, but by the obstacles you overcome. The harder you work, the luckier you get. Your only limit is the amount of action you take. The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams. Opportunities are all around us, it's up to us to seize them.